gold futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. We're resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line, at a price of $1,757. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD, seeing signs of a converge once again. As with the daily chart, we are in negative MACD. We did see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18 moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My sell target is at $165.59. My stop loss is at $157.28. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $168.94, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $160.57, and my stop loss is at $170.66. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features as a 25% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, an 8% chance to climb between 3 to 6%. To the downside has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%, and a 33% chance to fall between negative 3 to negative 6%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.